Hello and welcome to this video where we're gonna carry on the t-shirt we were making in the part 1. So I just want to make a kind of quick adjustment here. So I select the Z tool, quick adjustment on the front that we drafted earlier. So we're just gonna change the length and make it 23 centimeters. We're just gonna drop it down from the top. So I choose end in this little menu that appears. So this way the line is gonna follow better the shoulder. Now we're gonna start making the top, which is very easy. I just do this way. I just selected with the A tool, right click and copy this pattern. Then click on the workspace, right click and mirror paste it. So I'm just gonna put it here, and so I have the other half, which is the back here. So on the back we need to modify this line, which is the neckline, and we also gonna click on this line, right click, and offset pattern outline of 1 centimeter. Usually the back is bigger than the front, you know. Also here we could go 1 centimeter wider, but because it's a kind of not very fitted top, or sometimes it goes in, so we're just gonna leave it like this for now. So I'm just gonna get rid of this point here. No, sorry. Maybe I'm just gonna drag it up to reach more or less the same level as the shoulder point. And I get rid of this point here, that's what I meant. And now I just grab this with the Z tool, holding shift, I just drop it down 2.5 centimeters. Now with the V tool, I'm just gonna shape this line for the neckline, and here we have a back. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna quickly check using the work pattern tool. Just click on this point up to this, and running along the seam with the mouse. You see it's gonna place this piece here, so we can just see what we've done with the armhole line and the neckline. Looks pretty much okay, so we're just gonna leave it at this, and we're gonna get ready to make the sleeve. But first I just want to make some further adjustments. So with the Z tool, I grab the center front point here, holding shift down. I'm just gonna drop it 1 centimeter, and I'm gonna do the opposite on the back. Z tool, shift, and go up 1 centimeter. Okay, then now with the V tool, we're just gonna shape it slightly curve from here. Let's zoom in a little, you know. We just accidentally put this point, which we don't need. Okay, so this is gonna go more or less like that's it. You see here is 90 degrees, so that's a nice curvy shaped. I'm gonna do the same with the front, grabbing it from here. Let's zoom in. Just gonna bring it down a little. That's it. So now this, we're just gonna check again with the work pattern tool. You see this has a kind of nice shape, and it's gonna hopefully look good. So in the next video we're gonna make the sleeves, and we're gonna link it for you at the end of this video, so you can just click on it and carry on watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.